Freehand sketching is one of those skills that occurs to us almost naturally. Using a simple pencil and paper, we can sketch easily, irrespective of how the sketch might look. Now, there are also tasks, for example, diagnosis of mental health disorders such as post-traumatic stress disorder that are difficult to administer due to various social constraints. PTSD usually manifests itself as an aftermath of traumatic exposure. The WHO World Mental Health Survey reveals that traumatic experiences are pervasive among the societies worldwide. However, the exposure is higher within low-resource communities, where getting access to initial diagnosis of PTSD is almost difficult. To this end, we utilize people's natural ability of sketching to design a novel, low-cost, and creative method for screening PTSD. In particular, we ask this research question: can we utilize quantitative methods to identify patterns from freehand sketches and use them to screen for PTSD? We explore the answer to this question through a recent remote paper titled Leveraging Freehand Sketches for Potential Screening of PTSD, where we have collaborated with a diverse group of researchers across different disciplines. And I'm Farhana Shahid from Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, who is presenting this work to you. To address our research question on how to utilize freehand sketches for screening PTSD, we interviewed and collected data from 3 diverse communities in Bangladesh. They are the Rohingya refugees, slum dwellers, and engineering students. We interviewed the participants using a PTSD screening tool that sets the ground truth of our study. For the drawing task, we provided our participants with simple pencil and paper and requested them to sketch their homes. We chose pencil and paper considering their simplicity, low cost, ease of use, and availability. We selected home as our drawing subject considering its appeal and familiarity among our study population, irrespective of their diverse backgrounds. On the researchers' end, we used a regular mobile phone camera to digitize the sketches, which analyzed later both quantitatively and qualitatively. Besides, to gain a deeper understanding of the drawing task, we collected EEG signals while sketching from the participant Rohingya refugees using a low-cost and portable EEG headset. Next, we analyzed the sketches qualitatively and identified 4 different themes where the participants presented home either as shelter, within nature, as a place for activities, and strengthening relationships. Following this, we utilized image processing algorithms to extract different features from the digital images of freehand sketches. These are the number of corners, the number and average length of strokes. Next, we combined data from all the participants to develop multiple logistic regression models for screening PTSD. We used different combinations of participants' gender, group, quantitative sketch features, and qualitative sketch themes to develop 4 different models. Among them, the logistic regression model that considers interaction effect among the features could screen for PTSD with greater accuracy. This might be because there are significant effects of both gender and participants' group on the sketch features. Additionally, we built a random forest model using multimodal EEG data and sketch features from the Rohingya refugees. Here, combining temporal EEG data with sketch features resulted in greater accuracy. Now, if we think about the implications, our proposed low-cost assessment method using pencil, paper, and regular mobile phone camera can be useful in resource-scarce populations. This is particularly important for forcibly displaced populations, the vast majority of whom are hosted by developing countries around the world. Besides, due to the nonverbal nature of sketching, our proposed method has the potential to address communication barriers, and stigma associated with sharing traumatic experiences. Moreover, due to the automated nature of feature extraction and machine learning models, our developed methods and metrics are standardized, repeatable, and objective. And to sum up, through our work, we have presented the initial proof for a low-cost nonverbal assessment method to potentially screen PTSD within low-resource communities. As part of our future work, we plan to conduct a broader study involving large diverse populations to assess the ubiquity of our proposed method for PTSD patients having diverse backgrounds. Finally, thank you everyone for enjoying this talk.